Ciao my friends! So today I'm going to do something just a little bit different. I received a package in the mail. I ordered it maybe 2-3 weeks ago and it finally arrived. So I'm going to open it and see what it looks like. It's actually a Gucci bag if I'm not mistaken. What's in this bag should be a Gucci bag. It looks like it's just packaged in a bag. It didn't come in a box or anything, and that's okay because I don't mind that. That's less boxes and less packaging. But also I hope that the bag is in good condition and the shipping didn't destroy it. But so far, it looks okay. Let's see here. Yes, my friends. Excited. I still have to use my trusty little scissors here. Okay, no, maybe not. Yeah, maybe. I've seen this on their website and I've been wanting this bag for such a long time. And finally I bit the bullet and ordered it. But I will leave the link here somewhere in this page, or maybe I'll post it on my link tree and you can go and find it there. And yeah, it's hard to get out of the bag. So it came with some paperwork. Oh, really a nice dust bag. Really a nice dust bag. And here is my new baby. Oh, it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. I really love it. So the handles come protected and the bag is stuffed with plastic. The other one, I tried to do it quickly here, but I don't want to cut anything that's not supposed to be cut. Oops. So this is what it looks like. And you just press this little button and it will open. And this is what the inside of the bag looks like. This is generally what they come in the center of it. That means that the bag doesn't get squashed or bent in the shipping. So I always keep this, so when I don't use the bag, I put it back in. And the bag also came with a crossbody strap and then these handles. Generally, I will put the crossbody strap on, but not often that I will use the crossbody strap because I really like the handles. So I will put it on and it will generally just hang down. But anyway, so this is what it looks like on the inside. You have a pocket here, and then on the back side you also have another little zipper pocket, and the logo of it is right here. I don't know if you can see, but they have a little logo here, and the zipper works nice. It's very nice on the inside. It's like a canvas, a smooth, silky canvas. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Very beautiful. I love this. And then it will fasten up in the center here. And it also has little feet on it that have little protectors, little, I don't know. You have to peel them off. They're little tiny protectors on the feet part of it, but this is what it looks like here. I will go around taking those all off. Yeah, it's very beautiful. Very nice. I'm super excited. So you can leave a comment in the video below. Tell me what you think of my new bag, but Gucci is one of my favorites. So my friends, I will see you again soon. Ciao. Bye.